Here's the reason why you need your sniper turn to rapid fire.
Get ready.
So as you can see here, I have Mini 14 and SKS. So rapid fire is this. See, that's the rapid fire for Mini 14, and this is the rapid fire for SKS. So this is the reason why you want to set your sniper to rapid fire. So I'm using a Mini 14 on a level 3 helmet. It's 50. I'll use SKS to level 3 helmet. 56. Mini 14 on the level 3 vest. 24. SKS on level 3 vest. 25. So there's only not much of a big difference. So if I use rapid fire using Mini 14, see, and if I use rapid fire on SKS, see, that is the reason why you want to use rapid fire on your sniper rifle. For sniper rifle, I want to use Mini 14 because you have a control when firing the Mini 14, like this one. See? You can set it to even almost no recoil, and it has a maximum ammo of 30. Unlike the SKS, the maximum ammo you can do is 20. And it's hard to control SKS, like this one. See? It's really hard to control. That's why I use Mini 14 using rapid fire, because I can control it way better. You can use rapid fire with this gun. Of course, the Mini 14, the SKS, the SLR. You can use SLR. You can use rapid fire on SLR and MK12. SLR has much damage, but it's hard to control when shooting an enemy. So let me show you. I'm using SLR. The maximum ammo of SLR is 20. It's hard, as you can see, it's hard to control the SLR. Even if you set the auxiliary shoot, it's really hard to control. But it's up to you if you want to use SLR as your assault rifle. But for me, I'll still use the M14 because it has 30 ammo and you can control it much better. So the question is, how to turn your sniper rifle to assault rifle? Here it is. Open Flydigi app, edit. Your fire button here. Here is your fire button, as you can see. Double click this, click and set it to continuous and max this to 30. Confirm, save, and if you press and hold the left mouse button, you will turn the sniper rifle to assault rifle, and it has much higher damage than the assault rifle. So let me show you. Let's change to M16. I'm using SLR. Yeah, my weapon 1 is SLR and the weapon 2 is M16. I have no attachment aside from extended mag. So let's try the M16. I'm using N16 now. Level 3 helmet. 42. Change to SLR. Level 3 helmet. 59. SLR has much damage than the M16. So let's try level 3 helmet and level 3 vest. M16. 18. Level 3 vest, SLR, 26. Turning your sniper rifle to assault rifle using rapid fire does a lot of damage. So that's the reason why you need to turn your sniper rifle to assault rifle using rapid fire. I'll show you the different sniper rifle that you can use for rapid fire. See, Mini 14. Let's try hip fire. So hip fire is shooting without any scope. So let's first do hip fire. So that's the hip fire of Mini 14, and this is the scope for red dot of Mini 14. By the way, you can set the no recoil for these guns. So number 2, SKS is the hip fire for SKS, and this is the red dot scope for SKS. So this is the hip fire for SLR. And this is the red dot scope for SLR. Let's change to MK12. This is the fire for MK12. And this is the red dot scope for MK12. Also, you can use the QBU that you can find in Sanhok, the QBU sniper rifle. You can also use that and change it to rapid fire. This is the rapid fire of the QBU sniper rifle ammo. This is hip fire. And this is with scope, red dot scope. QBU sniper rifle ammo turned into rapid fire is a very good gun because you have a control when you shoot an enemy. Like this one. That's all for this video, and I hope that you learned from this video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, key mapping tutorials, and DIY tutorials. That's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.